Okay, I haven't exercised on a regular basis for a very long period of time. Yeah, I'm 38 years old this year, all the way up to the age of 34, right? People always do say that I look fit, I look fit, I look fit. Ever since after the age of 34, the body has slowed down a lot, and I find that exercising is very difficult, okay? It's very hard to get myself to exercise, and every year it just gets worse. To make matters worse, I do not burn my food, or my metabolism is a lot slower, and a couple of the fact that I'm eating more and more every single day, every single year in fact. So right now that Beauty Recipe has got this new slimming machine, right? I was hoping to use it as a reason to get back into shape, like really shape, okay? So I have an idol in fitness. So my fitness idol is Alan Wu. So at the age of, I think he's what, 55 years old this year? Or is it 50 years old? He is super duper fit, okay? And now with this new slimming machine, right, I hope to catch up and, you know, look good again. So going back to exercising again, I find it so tough. I had my COVID vaccines. After the first vaccine, right, I did not exercise for close to a month. Then the second dose, I did not exercise for close to a month again. Then the third dose, which is early this year, in January, after I came back from the US trip, I haven't actually exercised until today, and today is already March. Coming to mid-March, in fact, I find it very difficult to get back exercising, but no excuse now that we have this Beauty Recipes machines. Let's try getting back to become as fit as possible, okay? So the date is 9th of March. My weight is extremely heavy. I'm at 73 kilograms right now. I was hoping to hit back one day to maybe about 66 to 68 kilograms, okay? So let's make it a target, okay? 68 kilograms will be my target as soon as possible, in good shape. So to begin all my exercise all over again, right? Okay, I'm extremely vain. I'm just going to do pull-ups, push-ups, skipping, okay, using this cheap Decathlon skipping ropes, which cost only like what, $2? And then I'm going for a swimming later. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so 10 sets of 10 push-ups, 5 pull-ups and 30 skips. Each set is 3 minutes, which means I will normally do them finish by 1 minute and rest another 2 minutes. So the total, it took me about 27 minutes, 43 seconds. And I forgot to mention that I told you guys I got 3 jabs, right, for COVID vaccine. I also got COVID in the month of on 28th February, but I probably got it a couple of days ago. And I only recovered on like the 3rd of March. So yeah. Let's keep this up. Very exhausting. I feel very exhausted. I could do much more last year, okay? So I don't know, is it because of the vaccine or is it because of the that I got COVID? But anyway, I'm going for a swim now, just 10 laps. I usually do 20 laps, but because I did some pre-workouts like this, just another 10 laps of swimming of 50 meters each. I'm not going to film anymore because I respect other people's privacy. Let's do it. Okay. 10 laps done in 19 minutes 26 seconds. Each lap takes about 2 minutes. Super duper exhausted. I think one thing that isn't going to be cool is that I'm going to eat like crazy because my dad's coming over tonight and he's going to buy me my second favorite food, which is curry. So that concludes day 1. Let's call it day 1 of my 2022 exercise routine, okay? And I hope I can keep this up and use the slimming machine and use the fat blocker drink and sweet. Let's go. Okay, so after swimming, right, I can't resist, so I got all this good food right in front of me over here, yeah. Got pasta, and then my favorite curry. Curry is my like second favorite dish of all time, okay? So I hope that the drink that kills the fats after dinner is gonna help, okay? So, ikatakimasu. Hopefully you guys are following the channel. Hopefully I get some results and you guys can follow suit as well. Okay, so I've had curry, I have pasta, and I even had a slice of cake over here. So I'm gonna end off day 1 with the weight loss drink, okay? Tastes like Ribena. Day 1 over. Okay guys, I know I keep saying that day 1 is over, but day 1 is not over because I'm about to go to sleep. And before I go to sleep, I just want to mention that every time I work out, right, I would normally take this 2 protein powder to make sure I grow muscle. This one over here, right, is when I take it sometimes in the morning when I start my day, and after working out, replenish muscles. Casein protein, it's slow releasing protein, such that I take it normally before I sleep. So protein is released into my body throughout my sleeping hours. So, but although I'm showing you guys this, right, this one over here has already expired. Okay, so tonight I'm not taking this, and neither am I taking this also. Okay, I just thought I'd show you guys. So this one is called whey protein, okay? If you are losing weight, right, you might be thinking, hey, if I take all this, right, wouldn't I gain weight or wouldn't I gain muscle mass? If you are a girl, you might be thinking, no, that's not what I want. It's not true, okay? Because when you are working out, no matter you are slimming or you're gonna bulk up, right, when you take this, right, you're actually giving your muscle more power. When you go work out, after you recover, right, and you go work out again, right, your muscles are actually even stronger, which means you can work out even more, which means you can burn even more fat. And girls, there's always this myth where if you lift a lot of weights, right, you become very bulky. Now that is not true, because girls, right, their muscle only increases to a certain size. Okay, so most of the time when girls do a lot of weights in the gym, right, they become very nice and defined. Okay, now then you might be asking, right, how come some women it's just the way our body types are. Men, when they build muscle, yeah, it grows bigger. Girls, when they build muscle, it tends to be more towards lean and nice. Now you might be thinking, how come some girls, they look so scary? A lot of them, they take steroids to achieve, but guys also, they take steroids to achieve a certain mass. My understanding of it is just like that only, okay? Whatever I tell you is based on my own experience. I've been working out since I was 18 years old, where I was bullied by somebody and I decided to hit the gym. Day one really over, okay? Day one really over. I might actually be snacking on a bag of chips before I sleep. I'm trying not to do it. Day one over, I won't do it now. Okay guys, I know I say end of day one many times already, okay? The time is 11:20 p.m. And what are we doing? You know what's the worst? The worst thing that can happen when it comes to trying to lose weight and trying to get in shape is this. Even eating bread, eating anything is not as bad as eating this. What are we eating?
Instant noodles.
Instant noodles, we're eating instant noodles again, okay? You know, since I came back from London on the 4th, I think on the 4th or 5th of March, right? This is my 4th time eating Maggi mee supper. Okay, so yes, I am endorsing my own beauty recipe slimming program, and yet I'm also defying it. Can we take the slimming drink straight after this? I'm 38 years old this year, going to be. I can exercise. I can I can go for the slimming package. You know, I can do. There's something I don't know why. I think a lot of people our age group, right, cannot resist is the eating part. I keep saying the night is over, Really, I'm really hoping that the slimming machines, in faith, and the slimming drinks, right, is still going to help me to get back the slim tummy I have. Okay, now the arms kind of look okay, right? The tummy, okay, so day 3, okay, day 2 I'm not going to do much, I'm probably going to do some workout, but day 3, right, I'm probably going to try the slimming machine, and I will be showing the audience my tummy. My tummy, I don't like it, okay, I think most people don't like their tummy. Time is 11:20, this is the last one already, okay? Day 1 over, okay, finish, let me enjoy my Maggi mee. Thank you for cooking. Jesse's Maggi mee, okay? I think I show you all this. If you are watching at night, you all confirm want to go and cook also. Maggi mee is just an Asian thing, okay? Okay, enough already. Day 1, finish. That's it. The next time we'll jump to day 3. Day 2, maybe I might do something to show my working out, but I think no need now. Okay, the time is 11:32, okay? 11:19 was when I started eating the Maggi mee. That 10 minutes was heaven. You guys know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I know. Last one, okay? Last one. I'm gonna eat the candy before I sleep. Okay, good night guys. Day 1 over. Hopefully this helps with eating supper. Okay. Good night guys. Bye.